And welcome back to Coach Quant. Today we're going to be looking at a question on dice. So Emma possesses two dice, each with six sides. One dice is unbiased, while the other is biased, such that the probability of getting each side is proportional to the number. Emma rolls the pair of dice, and our job is to find the likelihood that the total of the results is odd. So just as a reminder, an odd number plus an odd number is always even, um, and an even number plus an even number is even. On the other hand, um, odds and evens, or evens and odds, will give us odds. So if we want to find the likelihood that the total of the result is odds, we want to find the likelihood that the first dice is odd and the second dice is even, or the probability that the second dice is even and the first dice is odd. Okay, these are equivalent things. So let's do the first scenario, right? The first scenario. Okay. In the first scenario, let's just consider the unbiased and biased dies. Okay, let's say in the first scenario, the unbiased die gives us an even, and the biased die gives us an odd. Okay? So the unbiased die, the probability of getting an even number from 1 through 6 is a probability of getting either 2, 4, or 6, which is 3, right? So 2, 4, and 6 are 3 possibilities over 6 possibilities. So there's 1/2. And then an odd, getting an odd in the bias die, right? That's either getting um, it's either getting a 1, a 3, or a 5, right? And because the probabilities are proportional to the number, um, we can just write this probability as 1 plus 3 plus 5 over the total sum of numbers you can get, right? And so this value is can be calculated to just be 3 over 7. And so the probability in the first scenario is just 1/2 times 3 over 7, right? So it's 3 over 14. The second scenario, excuse my handwriting. The second scenario, we have an unbiased die that gives us an odd, and a biased gives us even, right? So the unbiased die giving us odd would just be, again, 3 over 6. You either get 1, 3, or 5 out of 6 total possibilities, which is 1/2. And getting an even, right? And it's now just 2 plus 4 plus 6 over, again, the sum from 1 to 6. And this is equal to 4 over 7. So the probability in the second scenario is 1/2 times 4 over 7, which is just equal to 4 over 14. So first scenario and second scenario, we just add them together. Okay. So adding the possibilities together, we have 3 over 7, sorry, 3 over 14 plus 4 over 14. And this gives us 7 over 14, which is just equal to 1/2. So our final answer is 1/2. Now we have many, many more questions like these on our website, coachquant.com. We really recommend you check out our website. We have um, tons of questions, over 600 questions with solutions and hints from many, many different firms that have been asked in the past. It's completely free. I've left the link, coachquant.com. I've left the link in the description. I really recommend you go and check that out.